Welcome to our exploration of the groundbreaking innovation that is revolutionizing the world of real estate, 3D printed luxury mansions. In this video, we'll take you inside the very first mansion built entirely through 3D printing technology, showcasing its unique design and architecture. We'll delve into the eco-friendly materials used, discuss the customization options available, and reveal how this method not only reduces costs but also speeds up construction times. Join us as we discover how this futuristic approach is setting new standards for durability and luxury living. 1. Design and architecture. The 3D printed luxury mansion is a marvel of modern architecture, showcasing curved lines and a futuristic aesthetic. Its open-plan layout creates a sense of space and freedom, making it feel both expansive and intimate. The structure is thoughtfully designed, incorporating 5 spacious bedrooms, including a grand master suite that offers a private sanctuary. Multiple bathrooms provide convenience, while the living area and lounge serve as perfect spots for relaxation and entertainment. An outdoor pool adds to the allure, offering a refreshing escape from the daily grind. The design seamlessly blends form and function, creating an environment that is both visually stunning and highly livable. 2. Materials used. In a departure from traditional construction methods, this mansion was built using an innovative concrete mix specifically designed for 3D printing. This material is applied layer by layer, allowing for the creation of intricate shapes and complex structures that would be difficult to achieve with conventional techniques. The use of 3D printing technology opens up new possibilities for architectural design, enabling the realization of previously unattainable forms. The result is a structure that is as unique as it is functional, a testament to the creative potential of modern technology. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the structural integrity of the building. 3. Eco-friendly construction. A standout feature of the 3D printed mansion is its commitment to sustainability. The construction process is designed to minimize waste, making it a more environmentally friendly option compared to traditional building methods. The materials used are recyclable and non-toxic, further reducing the ecological footprint of the project. By embracing sustainable practices, this mansion sets a new standard for eco-friendly luxury living. The reduced waste and recyclable materials not only benefit the environment but also reflect a growing awareness of the need for sustainable development in the luxury housing market. 4. Customization. One of the most exciting aspects of 3D printing is the ability to customize every element of the mansion's design. Owners can personalize the structure to fit their specific tastes and needs, choosing unique textures, colors, and shapes. This level of customization was previously unimaginable in traditional construction, where design options were often limited. Now, homeowners can create a space that truly reflects their personality and lifestyle. Whether it's a specific architectural feature or a particular finish, 3D printing allows for unparalleled personalization, transforming the dream of a tailor-made home into a reality. 5. Cost-effective. Building with 3D printing technology offers significant cost savings over traditional construction methods. By reducing the need for labor and minimizing material waste, this approach lowers overall expenses. These savings make 3D printing an appealing choice for future developments, offering luxury and affordability in one package. The efficiency of the process also contributes to the cost-effectiveness, as resources are used more judiciously. This financial advantage may pave the way for more widespread adoption of 3D printing in the construction industry, making luxury living accessible to a broader audience. 6. Faster construction. In the world of construction, time is often of the essence. Traditional homes can take months or even years to complete, but the 3D printed mansion was finished in just a few weeks. The speed of the 3D printing process allows for rapid construction, without sacrificing quality or detail. This efficiency means that homeowners can move into their dream home much sooner than with conventional methods. The accelerated timeline not only benefits the occupants but also offers a competitive edge in the real estate market, where time to market can be a critical factor. 7. Durability. The durability of the 3D printed mansion is another key advantage. The design and materials ensure that the structure can withstand extreme weather conditions, providing peace of mind for its occupants. The concrete mix used in the construction is highly durable, offering long-lasting strength and stability. This resilience is essential in regions prone to harsh weather, where the ability to withstand the elements is crucial. The combination of innovative design and robust materials results in a home that is not only beautiful but also built to last, standing as a testament to the potential of 3D printing technology in the construction industry.